Hey guys, Jonathan here with JTech. Today we're doing an unboxing on the Zoom H1N handy recorder. I purchased this and the Movo windsock, dead cat windsock, as a bundle for $131.99 plus tax and freight. Now, I purchased this item because this week I'll be going to a trade show, and I have a lapel mic, but a lot of times you get interference with wireless mics. So at the show, I should be able to carry this around. I've got a foam cover coming for it. That'll be a separate video, another bundle that I'd purchased with accessories. Now, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do the unboxing so you can kind of see what comes in here. And then also I will do some follow-up videos showing setup, operation, and I'll do some sound tests with it so you can all hear the difference between maybe the lapel mic, and I'll give you the information on that item as well. But back to this. So in unpacking, we can see that, and I did previously open this. This is an unboxing, but the video I did like 10 minutes ago, a couple of the shots weren't in the center of the screen, and I had clipped the top of the recorder. So I want to make sure you get a good look at it, so you could get all the information. I know at unboxing videos, I like to see everything, and so that's what I wanted to provide for you guys. Sorry, I just bumped the tripod. So here we go. So we've got directions. The recorder came with this fabric sock that covered it up. So, and I opened it earlier in the other video, and I'll try to clip some of this together. But also it came with two Maxell batteries. They're AAAs. And this basically, this bundle came with these two items. And I'm going to be using this indoors this week, so I won't be taking this with me for this trip. I will use it in future events that are outside. Basically, I'm going to install the batteries that came with it, read through the directions so I can make sure that I can give you an accurate idea of how to set this thing up. But that is basically, when you unbox it, like I said, this came inside this fabric cover and was packaged just like you see. And I'll provide links to everything in the show notes. Thanks, guys.